Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how to reset Photoshop CC to factory default settings. If you have messed up with the Photoshop settings and it is not working properly and also the layout is not in the position which it used to be, here you can see that. So to reset Photoshop completely to factory default settings, from the keyboard press CTRL+K. It will open preferences window. Under that, click on general tab. Under general tab there is an option called as reset preferences on quit. Click on this option. Now you will get a pop-up. Are you sure you want to reset preferences when quitting Photoshop? Click on OK and click on OK. Now close the Photoshop and restart again. Here you can see that the Photoshop is reset to factory default settings. Let's create a new project. Click on OK. Here you can see that previously the layout was messed up, but now you can see that it is aligned perfectly what it used to be. So that's it guys. In this way you can reset Photoshop CC to factory default settings. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.